Hi everyone! Good morning! Welcome to my vlog. So today is we're having a makeup transformation with Christine Duran. Ayan. So, magsugod na ta. Tao ng contact lens. So this time, magsugod na ta makeup transformation. Ingdo sa English, sa camera daw pa, no? Ito po kanyang mukha. Oh, ayan. So our first step is the foundation. So done with foundation. So this time is for kilay session. Ayan na, Yalik Festival! So this time is my perfect nose line. Eyeshadow time! Bayan! Eyeshadow siya. So, kailangan siya i-spread gamay para ano siya. And now for the eyelashes or the extension. Extension or piluka. Po tayo. Malapit na po tayong matapos. Ayan. And now for the blush on. Ayan. Tayo mga kapamilya! I-beach o yan. Shimmering Splendid. Ayan! Malapit na po kaming matapos! Ayan. So this time for the glitz and glitters. So, ayan, ayan. So close muna tayo, Annie. Close. So, ayan! Oh my God! You're so pretty! For the, lipstick or lips talaga. So, ang bakal kang Annie is nude lang kasi virgin na virgin ang kanyang mukha. God, pretty. Look, oh. And now, for the finishing touch. Ano naman tayo mga kapamilya? Ayan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, malapit na po tayong matapos. So this time, for the hair extension. Gentlemen, natapos na kami sa makeup transformation. Ito po si Miss Annie.
Thank you, next man.
Humana na namang makeup transformation. So, ano sa'yo maingon, Miss Annie?
Very nice. Transform gid akong mga things.
So, perfect and success. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching our vlog, our makeup transformation. And please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, my Facebook page, Raj Valle. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and God bless. Bye-bye! Hi, this is Fresh 17.